Okay, class, now let's proceed with the next lesson, lesson 14. And in this lesson, we're gonna learn again another brief forms, its derivatives and phrases, the eliminated word phrases, the blend symbol for the sounds of TED, DED, and DEET, and differentiating between there and there. Okay, so let's now first begin with additional 8 brief forms and derivatives and phrases. Okay, DR, which is the brief form of doctor and during. If, which is the symbol of there and there. OF is the brief form for office. If, E is the symbol for they. US is the symbol for was. AR is the symbol for where. EST is the symbol for yesterday. UN is the symbol for one and one. Okay, for derivatives, we have doctor plus S, doctors. Office plus S, offices. One plus S, ones. Okay, and for the brief form phrases, there plus is, there is. There plus was, there was. I plus was, I was. It plus was, it was. Her plus S, her. Here, I mean here plus S, here is. Here plus R, here are. Is plus there, is there. They plus are, they are. They are plus not, they are not. They plus will, they will. They will plus be, they will be. Okay, let's try to read. 1, 2, 3, begin. Okay, so these are the additional brief form, derivatives, and phrases. Okay, now class, for this lesson, we will be studying, or I will introduce to you the another sets of symbols and the sounds of TED, DED, and DEET. So the sounds of TED, DED, and DEET is the combination of the T and D symbol. So if we add the symbol for T and D, we have a larger or a longer upward line, which is a symbol for TED, DED, and DEET. Okay, so let's individually take up the following words. Let's begin with the TED word. STAR, TED, started. LES, TED, listed. RES, TED, rested. TES, TED, tested. AK, TED, acted. AKSEP, TED, accepted. Okay, for the dead words, gay, ID, guided. NE, dead, needed. A, dead, added. Gay, RA, dead, graded. Dead, dead, as in DEAD, dead. Dead, LIN, deadline. PROVID, provided. Okay, and for the DEET words, KRE, DEET, credit. O, DEET, audit. E, DEET, edit. E, DEET, R, editor. DEET, AL, detail. Okay, let's try to read. Ready, begin. Okay, so these are the sounds or the words that have the sounds of TED, DED, and DEET. Okay, class, for your reading practice, here are 4 sentences which have the words that contains TED, DED, and DEET words. Okay, so please try to read the following sentences, and please pause this video if necessary. Please do the reading as quick as you can, and please make sure that you're reading the outlines correctly, okay? Class, for your transcription practice, again, this is another letter written by Adam to Mr. Sanchez. So I want you to transcribe this letter in your notebook, and please make sure that the spelling of your transcript is correct or are correct. Okay, so please transcribe this one in your notebook, and please, again, feel free to pause this video if necessary. Now, class, for our communication skill builder, we take up two different words or which have the same sound, okay? The word there and the word there, okay? The meaning of the word there, as in T-H-E-R-E, is a function word used to introduce a thought. It can also be an adjective which shows at that place, okay? So that is the meaning of there, T-H-E-R. And the other meaning, or the other word there, T-H-E-I-R, this is a possessive noun meaning belonging to them. Okay? An example of this, the usage of these two words is like this. In the word there, T-H-E-R, there should be a place for the meeting. So there is a function word used to introduce, and it is also a word that tells the place. Okay, there should be a place for the meeting. And in this word, there, T-H-E-R, it's a possessive noun, which means it's a possessive noun meaning belonging to them. Like this, in its example, will their credit card application be approved? Whose credit card? Theirs. Their credit card. Okay, so these are the two different words which are most commonly misused in steno or in studying shorthand. Okay, so please be guided by this communication skill builder. The words there and there.